How to see or view your Messenger password. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through step by step on how you can view your Messenger password. First things first, open up Messenger, head into menu. Once you're on the menu, you can head into settings. Once you're on the settings, scroll down here and you can see account center. Tap on it and scroll down and tap on password and security. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on change password. Once you tap on change password, select the particular Facebook account associated with your Messenger account. And now it'll ask you to enter in your current password. Right now you won't be able to view the password at any cost on Facebook Messenger due to the privacy policy and security. But what you can do is tap on forget your password. If you don't remember your password, then it'll ask you whether you want to get code via email or Facebook notification. If you don't have access to email, you can always choose Facebook notification and tap on continue. It'll send a verification code. You want to enter in that code and you can reset your password. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.